according to YouTube analytics, my biggest the biggest segment of my audience are guys that are in the retirement age. So if that's one of you guys, it doesn't have to be a guy, it can be anybody, but if you're retired and you're really bored and you want something to do, and you have a skill that your old buddy Tim doesn't have, let me show you a project. I'm really in need of this, and if this is something that you wanted to work on and this was your thing to do, we have plenty of time to do it, and I would love to hire you to do this for us. But basically, here's Cristalina. We have this table right here, and when you buy these boats new, there's a little thing like this that you can put this in here, but this is what comes. This is the stock table. Island Packet has a beautiful teak, or was it sapella, I think they call it, something like that, wood table that's a 3-piece thing that folds out with an Island Packet thing on there, and they only charge, if you buy the boat for almost $1 million, they only charge $1,800 for this add-on table. I'm being facetious. That seems like a ridiculous amount of money. So I don't have $1,800. I don't have the skill to do this myself, but if one of you out there does and might need a winter project or a summer or fall project or whatever, I would love to work with you and send you dimensions and all the sort of stuff. So basically the way they have it is they have something that folds down, so you can fold it down like this, and then when it folds up like this, we can use the same hardware or put different hardware on it, but they have it so that there's 2 styles I've seen. One that's split down the middle, and this will open this way, and then this will open that way, and it will double your space. I've also seen a custom one that I like even better, that does it almost like 3 ways. Like there's one that goes out and around like this, and the other that pops out this way and gives you even more. But even just the problem with this is that we can't put 2 plates on here. They won't even hold 2 plates. So obviously it'd be nice if we could get it like out to here, but we can't do that because of this right here. But I think that's all that we have, unless you guys have a better idea. If don't send me, I know a million of you guys are going to send me things saying this is what you ought to do. No, don't tell me what we ought to do. Tell me what you can do. If you can do this, let's talk about it, because I'd love to upgrade our cockpit dining situation. What do you think? ¿Tú piensas? ¿Tú quieres comer aquí afuera?
Sí,
pero
claro,
estos son muy pequeños.
Pequeña, tenemos que poner una más grande para que podamos
she says she wants one just a little bit bigger so that we can eat out here. Anyway, if that's something you guys want to do, hit me up on timbatc@gmail.com, and I'd love to talk to you. Like I say, if you're a professional and you want to do this for a job, yeah, I'm really kind of hoping that this is something that we can work together on, like more like somebody's retired and would like to put their engineering prowess to work, draw out some stuff, source some nice beautiful wood that we could teak, that we can varnish, and put it out here and live happily ever after, and a piece of you will be on Paquita with us as we travel into the unknown. If that's something you're interested in, please let me know. Drop us a line. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be safe, and as always, I'll see you on the one.